I know what you're thinking. A lot of things wrong with it. I mean, it hasn't got an engine for starters, and somebody's hacked the frame to fit a 125cc motorbike. And I know that because it says that on the wing somewhere. 125cc, it's there. So yeah, so I need to really put this frame back to accept the original motor, and the original frame comes down to about here. None of this stuff should be here. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Try and get this thing back on the road. Made a unicycle. I need to cut here, 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 there and there. Just like that. Half an hour, 45 minutes. That's almost the original, what it used to look like. There's this piece in here. I do think that is quite weak anyway, so I might leave that in and take it out if it causes a problem. A couple of hours later, there's the first template. But I've done the other side. The other side's a different shape. So I'm going to cut those out. Right, maybe 2 patterns. Picked up another vise from everybody's favourite store, Lidl. I might round him off, I'll have to see how he fits first. Is he going to fit this time? Super smashing great. That support bracket that was inside, which I thought I would leave just to give it some extra strength, is actually it's going to be in the way. Alright, so yes, I've got to take that plate out. I did think about this yesterday, but I thought it would give it a bit of extra strength, but obviously he's in the way. So what's the best way to do this? Just cut it? Yeah, okay. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Let's see if he just fits in for now, shall we? Yes, we'll do that. Alright. So he was supposed to go like that. So where's that fantastic pen I got? So if he's on there, if he wasn't there, let's see what he looks like. Yeah, I think he'd be good. That pointy bit at the bottom's a bit worrying, but that's pretty damn good, isn't it? Right, I might just tack that in and just double check everything. Absolutely got this welder dialed in now. It's absolutely spotted on. There it's in all its glory. So he's going to be sitting on here somehow. I'll drill a 20mm hole, put some tube. I'm going to put 2 angle brackets in here with the tube through, and then I've got a pin that goes through that holds that into position. First one done. Does my bar fit? Yeah, there we go. One kickstand on. I don't think it should be that far forward, but I need to cut those 2 flanges off. But the bike's standing on its own. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I just hope the engine still fits. Right, pivot clock. Just wanted to trim that off. Make it look a bit more like, oh yeah, look at that. So, got it temporarily set up. The brake works, but it's quite close. It's quite close to there. When you put your kickstand down, he's hitting on there. I don't know whether I should move this brake over a little bit. I mean, there's a recess in the stand where that might maybe supposed to sit. We've got a pedal, brake pedal that works. We've got a centre stand, and that's about it. Right, so another thing that was missing was the centre stand, not the centre stand, the support for the back of either side of the footrests. Then I run the welder over, just spotted in a few places. He's still hot. He's going to fit under there like that somehow. Somebody else while I'm losing my signal to myself. Every face is pixelated, every word is automated. I used to feel electric. Look for some holes. We'll do the end caps, fill in the holes and go for this again. But he's starting to look good. I hope he does fit. That's all I'm doing. There we go, in all its glory. I think that should do the job. Bit of primer on that, get the engine working. Right, let's look at this engine. Kickstarter shaft was knackered. And you can see there it's quite, well, it's snapped, isn't it? So I'm going to open them up, see if I can change that shaft. I've got another I better put a block of wood under there. Right, let's get this guy off. These are rubbish. I can't work with these. Brittle, I'm tired of living inside my jar. My heart's on shuffle, my soul's on idle, and numbness feels like, I believe. What? He came out a bit too easy there, so he goes in there. Should there be something inside there? That can't be right. Maybe it is, I don't know. Oh, there's a spring there, that's right. It's a spring I've got to watch out for. I hope I've got the right kickstart shaft. This is the one I got. Oh, balls. I think it's the wrong one. This is the wrong one. This one needs opening up. Hang on, that can't be right. Oh, you're having a giraffe. I think this is the different type, isn't it? Yep, he looks completely different. Oh well, that was a short video. The one I want's actually got a half moon cog on it, which I've got to take the case apart. See you in the next one. Too much.